So today I'm going to be showing you all how to get this quick and easy pony in less than 10 minutes. Hopefully you all are interested in watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So let's get started. So starting off with my hair in a ponytail, I actually washed my hair last night and then I just detangled it with my Denman brush up into a ponytail, and then I braided it so it'll be stretched. So I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to blow dry it or anything like that. It's already pre-stretched. So I'm gonna take Style Factor Edge Booster, put my brush in it, and just go to work. I'm gonna leave my baby hairs out because I want some dramatic baby hairs. So we're gonna see how that works. So Outre pony. This is a pretty quick wrap, and this is in the texture Jumbo Kinky Straight, and it's a 30-inch long ponytail. Ready? So this is what it's gonna look like. I'm excited. So easier to do this with this type of pony instead of like the regular connect along here. Okay, has a bobby pin. I might need this. It's already wrapped around. I guess that's for a reason. Yep. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna take this little clip out. All right. So here we go. Take it, put it on. Add the clips to the side. I'm gonna add another bobby pin here on the side just for extra security. Here it is here. Put one on the other side too. So next you take this part and you wrap it around. Normally I'll just have my braid straight. I don't ever do a bun. I wanted more height with this ponytail, so I wanted like a little, you know, volume up here so it won't look so flat. So that's why I did the braid. I know it looked kind of bulky at first, but I wanted a little height up here. Perfect. Okay. So now we're gonna do baby hair. So I'm gonna take my earwax, my fave. It started to flake up on me recently, but it still gives the best hold, honestly. So now we're gonna add some pearls. I got these from Sally's. These are hair gems, and I'm excited. I've been waiting to do this for a minute. Okay, so they break off. I think I want to do one at a time, or maybe two. Hopefully they stick. I don't know where to put them. Yes, perfect. I'm just gonna put them anywhere, honestly. So see how they stick. Hopefully they do good. I think they will. And this is a pack of, doesn't even say, but it's a lot on here. So, and they're pretty small, so perfect for adding them to your hair. Look at that, so pretty. Super dramatic and just classy, you know? Alright guys, so that is my quick high pony. Super easy. You can do it in less than 10 minutes, and you also added a little drama as well in case you wanted to, you know, jazz things up a bit. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.